Okay, all I have to say is that this is gonna be like the art scene, like in the thick. Things that you don't think are art are fucking art. Look at that. Oh no! You ruined the art!
That was me.
You ruined the art!
Oh well. It sucked anyway.
It's not a real brick wall.
I think the art's very strong. I'm not so sure about the wallpaper.
Is it actually wallpaper or no?
No, it's just it's the stuff they use for Santa Claus displays.
This is to Sesame Street or something, right?
It's scraps of advertising vinyl that I've been collecting from ad companies.
Your name is Natalie?
This work is kind of its environment, of its street environment, but it's not really. The balconies of Carlo Cesta,
Nadja.
Nadja.
How dare you?
the posters, Brendan Fernandes. It's a real neon sign, but what's it saying? What's it signifying?
Okay, so you made like fake gum wrappers and put them on the ground, like, and you handmade them?
Yeah, I hand drew them, just pen on vellum.
So what do you think of this show?
I like it a lot.